We've heard and we've been given truthful things, most especially towards these last days of the ordinary time, about what will happen in the next. Marahil pasong-paso na po ang inyong mga tenga sa mga nakakatakot na mga katotohanan na ito. Kamangha-manghaman po ang iba, pero madami pa din dito ang sabi ko nga ay katakot-takot. But once more, as I've said 2 days ago, hindi naman po mananakot ang Diyos. Manunubos ang Diyos. He is a loving God rather than a fearful one. With all of these things that will happen in the next, He just wants our attention and disposition. And that is to stand erect and raise our heads because our redemption is at hand. Who won't be excited when after a long period of waiting, the food that you delivered is just near you? Sino po ang hindi ma-excite kung ang iyong kamag-anak o mahal sa buhay na 5 taon, 10 taon, 20 taon, mas madami pang taon ang malayo sa iyo at ayan na siya, tanaw mo na siya mula sa kanyang arrival area sa airport. Sino ang hindi ma-excite na in 2 days, sweldo na? O bukas, sweldo na? O mapalad sa inyo na ibigay na yung sweldo ngayong araw na ito? No? Check nyo na lang po mamaya kung pumasok na. Who won't be excited when the best things are just some blocks away from us? My dear brothers and sisters, what will be might be fearful, yes. But if it is our day with the Lord, our day when we will all be finally home, may there be excitement in us. Totoo na mawawala tayo sa mundong ibabaw na ito, pero kung yung araw na kasama na natin ang Diyos ang parating, may we stand erect, raise our heads, because the Lord is near. Sinasabi nga po natin, paparating pa lang tayo o papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting na part. At kung papunta tayo doon sa exciting na part na iyon, we look forward with joy and hope. When great things are near, look forward, be excited, be joyful. The Lord wishes us not to be sitting pretty only all the rest or throughout the rest of our lives. But He wants us to see, to stand, and to be excited with the best things in life that will come to us.